Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, an extension and a 13mm socket, fully unscrew the nut holding the metal plate in place. You can now remove the fastening plate. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Lift the plastic cover to access the terminal. Using a 10mm spanner, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. You can now remove the battery.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a 10mm spanner. Finally, do the same with the negative terminal. Put the plastic cover back. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.